Hello, my name is Kayla and welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday, where I'll be sharing all the latest tips and tricks in PVFARM. Today, let's talk about navigating the 3D space. So as you may know, PVFARM is a 3D program, and you'll notice that as I'm moving things around in the 3D space, not only are we seeing right below me a compass that's giving me an idea of where I am, we're also seeing a spot right in the center of my screen. That's going to be our pivot point. So understanding that pivot point is going to be important. So let's say if I get into a strange situation here, like where I'm upside down, I can always navigate down to my compass and I can hit north and it will automatically give me a top-down view. I can also do the same thing by pressing the number 2 on my keyboard or by pressing the 7 on my numpad. So now let's say there's something over here that I want to rotate around and I want to inspect from different angles. Sometimes it can be hard because as you see here, I'm rotating around, and if I wanted to look at that tracker, it's given me a little bit of a hard time. So here's what I can actually do. I can focus in on which tracker I want. So I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to press the F key for focus, and that's going to focus in on here. Now, as I start to pivot around, notice that that dot or pivot point is now directly in the center of that tracker object. So as I rotate around, it's now rotating around the object that I have selected. So this is going to be very important in understanding how to navigate around in the 3D space. I hope this helps. I'll talk to you next week.